Hello students, here we will be seeing midpoint circle generating algorithm. Observe this diagram. This is first octant, second octant, third octant and fourth octant. This algorithm is used to determine the points needed for rasterizing a circle. Here we calculate points in the first octant and then generate other points as circle is symmetric. Two circle drawing algorithm exist. One is midpoint and another one is Bresenham. Here we are seeing this midpoint circle algorithm only. Okay, in order to explain this algorithm, let's consider an example. The given points are radius 10 centimeter and the origin is at 0, 0. We need to use these formulas. P naught equal to 5 by 4 minus r, which is approximately equal to 1. So we are considering P naught will be 1 minus r. If this pk value is less than 0, we need to apply this formula, and pk value greater than 0, we need to apply the second formula. Now let's start. And another one condition, when x greater than or equal to y, we need to stop the process. That is, the algorithm will stop. Algorithm calculates all the points of octant 1 and terminates. That is, if it gets satisfied, that will be this condition. If it is satisfying, that will be the end of the first octant. Okay. So let's consider this example. Given radius 10 centimeter, so P naught value will be 1 minus r equal to minus 9. Initially the value will be starting from 0. So x will be 0 and y will be 10. Then after using this thing, P naught 1 minus r equal to minus 9, the xk plus 1 yk plus 1 equal to xk plus 1 comma yk, that is 1 comma 10. Usually x value will be incremented by 1 and y value will be the same. If pk value is positive, y value will be decremented. See here, if it is positive, the y value will be decremented. Otherwise, if it is negative, it will remain the same. That is the condition for y variable. Okay. So now let's start the process. K is the iteration thing. For iteration, we are using the term k. So k is 0 and pk is minus 9, which is less than 0. So we need to use the first formula. If pk less than 0, we have to use this thing. So we are using this, writing this formula here and substituting all the values of xk, yk, etc. We will be getting minus 6 here. So I am explaining the first one. pk is minus 9, so we are putting 9, and according to the formula, plus 1 plus 2 of xk plus 1. Xk is 0 initially. Initially it is 0. So we are putting 0 plus 1, and after simplifying we are getting minus 6. So again pk value is minus 6. So minus 6, the x value is incremented and y value will remain the same. Only if pk is positive, y value starts decrementing. Okay, otherwise whichever the value it has previously, it retains that. So again we need to use, since it is minus 6, again we need to use this first formula. So again minus 1 is coming. So in this table we are putting minus 1, x is incrementing, y remains the same. Again we are using the same formula, and now 6 is coming, positive value. Positive value means we need to change the formula. We have to use this second formula. So we are substituting all the values here and we are getting again negative value. So pk again negative means we need to use the first formula. So if it is negative, x value will be incremented as usual and y value will be the same. If it is negative, y is same. So again we are like this, we are substituting either with the first equation or second equation until you get all the values. Like this we are getting, when we reach this condition x greater than or equal to y, like this 8 comma 6, x is greater than or equal to y, we need to stop this. So these are the points for octant 1, and algorithm calculates all points of octant 1 and terminates. Now the points for octant 2 are obtained using the mirror effect. So these values will be, after the 8 6, the values will be 9 5, 9 4, 10 3, 10 2, 10 1, etc. So here we have written all the octant values. Octant 1 is this thing we have generated, and this is the mirror value. The mirror value easily you can calculate the mirror value. See here 8 6, 68, 8 6, 5 9, 9 5, 4 9, 9 4, 3 10, 10 3, 2 10, 10 2, 1 10, 10 1. Reverse exact the mirror effect. Similarly, quadrant Q2, that is minus x comma y, that value will be minus x comma y. So you just put the minus in x values here. So we are getting these values. And the quadrant octant 3, that's value will be both in negative state. So both x and y will be in the negative thing here, this quadrant. So both will be in negative. So we are applying negative sign or minus sign in this value. Okay, and the fourth one is x comma minus y. So here octant 4, x will be positive and y is negative, this area. So we are substituting, we are using this value and putting minus sign in y. Okay, thereby we have got all the octant value in order to generate a circle. So these are the points for a circle. After plotting, we will get a circle. And one thing I want to tell, here it has some advantages as well as disadvantages. It is a powerful and efficient algorithm, but circle generating is not smooth. Similarly, the entire algorithm is based on equation of a circle, that is x square plus y square equal to r square. It is easier to implement but time consuming, and used to generate curves on raster displays. Thank you.